Good day. At 3 p.m. this afternoon, the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim, along with 17 delegations, arrived in Timor-Leste for a two-day official visit. The Malaysian leader was warmly received at Nicolau Lobato International Airport by His Excellency President José Ramos Horta, Prime Minister Kairala Shanana Guzmão, and senior government ministers. The arrival ceremony featured a static guard of honor presented by the Timor-Leste Defense Force, along with school marching bands. After the greetings, the Prime Minister proceeded to the airport's VIP lounge, and from there his motorcade will be heading to the Hotel Palm Springs, where he will then be expected at the Presidential Palace. Along the route, he was welcomed by school children and members of the local community, waving the national flags of Malaysia and Timor-Leste.
Acompanha notícia atual no credível. Catalua like, subscribe, no share, website www.tatoli.tl, página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.